Ride along as I fly from Boeing Field in Seattle south to Chehalis, about halfway to Portland along I-5. Chehalis is a popular fuel stop, and there's a restaurant at the golf course just a short walk from the ramp. On this VFR day, I flew a practice RNAV GPS runway 16 approach to demonstrate how the Garmin GTN 750XI can create a smooth VNAV path to meet step-down altitudes outside the final approach fix, and then smoothly transition to the LPV glide path to fly the descent along the final approach segment to the DA. In my A36, the Garmin GFC 600 autopilot can seamlessly switch from following VNAV guidance marked by the magenta caret to track the magenta diamond that shows the LPV glide path. As I cruised at 4,500 feet over Olympia, I set the altitude bug to 2,000 feet, the altitude charted at NOYID, the final approach fix, and I selected both the VNAV and approach modes on the GFC 600 autopilot controller. The autopilot flew a smooth descent across RELTE at the mandatory 4,000-foot altitude, and then continued the down-escalator ride to capture and then track the glide path at 2,000 feet at NOYID to the DA of 476 feet, about 1 mile from the threshold.
Foxtrot 3953 is 13,010 V the Hawks with Foxtrot.
3953 Seattle approach, expect the RNAV Yankee 34 left.
Full planet.
Automated weather observation 1543 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 2000. Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point 14 Celsius. Altimeter 298 inches of mercury.
Approach Alaska 1041 at 12,500 descending Hawks with Foxtrot.
Fox 1041 Seattle approach, expect the RNAV Yankee runway 34 left.
We'll expect RNAV Yankee 34 left Alaska 1041.
Path is armed, leaving 4,500 now from 4,000 across RELTE. We're on the chart. But almost 7 miles to the next fix after RELTE. So we'll wait on flaps and gear. Power's already back. Airport's in sight. 4,000 now, we're clear of the class Delta. LPV's enunciated. Got about 2.5 minutes now to NOYID. Chehalis traffic bonanza 46 Foxtrots 10 miles north, straight in 16 Chehalis. Glide pass active, gear coming down. Green. Mixture's coming rich. Got a wind out of the east.
Standard Mary traffic ran 43804 is on a 3-mile final.
Base traffic 221 joining downwind 33 caboose.
Hello, Sanderson. Left to meet 09er Bravo is now on a 2-mile final. We're straight in. Runway 5.
We're crossing that at 2,000. 2 miles, 1 minute.
Chehalis traffic, November 300 Pop Alpha, 9 miles south, inbound for landing. We'll enter a 45 for 16. Chehalis.
Chehalis traffic bonanza 46 Foxtrot 7 mile final, runway 16 Chehalis. Green approach west, mixtures rich. Prop is set at 25. There's a little breeze up here today. 20 knots of crosswind. Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Now 5 mile final, 16, full stop Chehalis. Going down to 476. About 1,000 to go. Next approach altitude is 5,000. We will not activate the lights today, but the PAPI in sight though. Wind's dying down a little bit. It's going to get bumpy this afternoon though, it looks like. About 500 to go. Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, short final, runway 16, full stop, Chehalis. All the guidance coming off, autopilot.
Chehalis traffic, November 300 Papa Alpha, entering the 45 for left downwind for 16, Chehalis.
Full flaps. 3 green. Prop will come forward in the flare. We're landing. Props forward. Chehalis traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's clearing 16 on Alpha 3, going to the fuel pump, Chehalis.
Chehalis, November 300 Papa Alpha is left base, or left downwind for 16, Chehalis.